Welcome back to Explain CAD. In this tutorial, we will create pneumatic gripper lever. This is the drawing of the lever. I select front plane, sketch, normal. We will create this shape with the help of revolve command. For that, I select line command, draw one line here, right click, select option, select this line, make it horizontal. The length of the lever is 65 mm. Smart dimension 65 mm. Right click, select option. Again select line command and create a shape like this. Right click, select option. This diameter is 20 mm and this is 10 mm diameter. In a revolve command we will keep it half of the diameter. So I select this distance 10 mm. Smart dimension. This is 10 mm. This diameter is 10 mm. So we will keep it 5 mm distance. Select this line and this line. Distance 5 mm. At this side this is 5 mm step. I select this distance 5 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. Revolve boss space feature. Select the axis of revolution, this line. Select OK. Now we create this cut. For that we create sketch on this face. I select this face, sketch, normal. I select this circle, convert entities. Now we draw line, midpoint line. Right click, select option, select this line, make it horizontal. Again select this line, construction geometry. This distance is 8 mm. So we will offset this line at 4 mm both sides. Offset distance 4 mm, bidirectional, select it, OK. Select bidirectional and select this line. Select OK. Go to trim entities, trim this portion of line, this one, this and this line. Trim this portion. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch. The depth of the cut is 4 mm. Select extruded cut. Select 4 mm deep. Select OK. Now we create this hole. This is 5 diameter hole and the depth of the hole is 10 mm. This symbol shows the depth of the hole. I select this face, sketch, normal, circle, draw one circle here. Right click, select option, smart dimension 5 mm. Right click, select option, come back from the sketch, extruded cut, depth of the hole is 10 mm. Select OK. This part is complete. Give it some color. Select edit appearance and I select this color. Select OK. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe Explain CAD.